You can see the old material that's just completely falling off, and all that old foam has turned orange and crumbly and starts to drop all those fibers in your car. So what happens on these ones, what makes them sag, is just basically after a while the foam just starts to degrade itself, turn to that orangey type of compound, and you can see it just brushes off really easy. That's why there's no amount of glue that can fix these issues. If you're trying to spray glue on those boards, you're just basically running the risk that you're going to damage the board, because the glue seeps into the board, and as you remove the old material, it starts to want to tear up the board as well. So yeah, in order to replace this, you have to, to fix it professionally, you just have to replace it with brand new material. So the process would be to scrub off the old foam, get it to a clean board, reuse brand new material. We sell that. Check it out in the link in the description. Today's job is anthracite, so that's our number 5 material. So it's like a charcoal black, shadow grey. It's called anthracite. It would be our number 5, but you can choose to go other colors as well. These utes did also come out in the light grey type of material, which would be our number 7, cappuccino light grey flat knit. And so yeah, Holden, Commodore VEs, they all came out with just 2 colors. So today's one's just the charcoal black, which is the anthracite.